Crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and this is number 10 in my 10 days of 25 days of Christmas. And this I used the Anna Griffin radial holiday border dies, and these are so cute. Now, one of them is a snowflake theme, and the other is a holly berry or holly leaf theme, and they are adorable. So these are and they came on, I love that she's putting them on the magnetic sheets these days that you can put in a binder. Actually, I have her binders, and I will put these in there. But what's great about these is that they're, if you're familiar with Crafter's Companion, these would be like a create a card, and the one end will cut out, and I will show you how it works, and the other end will stay inside the paper. If you want to take it totally out of the paper and just make it a piece that then you would layer or do whatever, you would use the outside die, and it would cut the whole thing out of your paper. So let me just show you a couple that I did with this. Now, I use kind of, this is the toile paper that I showed you the other day, and it's a little busy maybe for this pattern, but you know, just to show you what it would be like if you had red on the inside. You could have silver, pop it up with gold, you know, something like that would be really, really pretty. Maybe that, because it's not, you know, so busy, but I like red and green. That's probably my favorite combination for the holidays. And so you can use it like this, and just or have it cut out, and then you can layer them, you know, maybe in the different colors, and layer them one on top of the other. It's all up to you. You can make a gatefold card and do it that way, where they would both meet in the middle. So tons of ideas that you could use. This I used, let me see if I have that other die. I had the, oh, here it is. I used the Anna Griffin snowflake die. It came with some other Christmas things a few years ago, and so I used that along with some other, I don't know, spellbinders or something, other dies that I use with this. But this white part, that is the snowflake radial border die, and then I just backed it with some silver and put some silver and gold, and then the word sparkle, I think that's from Crafter's Companion, word on that, and that will be a Christmas card that I'll send. And then I don't know if you guys get as frustrated as I do. I love my Xyron, but you know, I just don't like that I can't get the little pieces of the glue from inside, especially if it's very intricate like this. And you know, I use it a lot for words, and that's fine, but even that left a lot of the ink, not ink, a lot of the glue on the inside. And I know you're supposed to blot it with the paper that it comes on and all that sort of thing, but that's too much trouble for me. So a lot of times what I did with this is, because there was so much of the glue still inside, I put some glitter on it, and it stuck to what was left there. Clever. You know, sometimes you do what you got to do. And I even had some of it that was stuck on here, so it's, you know, it's glittery, and that's okay with me. So there you go, a couple of cards with the Anna Griffin radial border dies for the holidays, and I hope you're going out there and you're crafting. It's getting close. Go craft. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.